In this video, we will going through some fundamental concepts in JavaScript: variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. These are the building blocks of programming in JavaScript, and I'll explain each with examples so you can see them in action. Our first topic is variables. Concept explanation. Variables are the containers for storing data in JavaScript. We can declare them using let, const, var data types. Let can change the reassigned and block scope. Const cannot be changed. Or var, older way function scope not recommended. Let's come to the code explanation. Here the name is declared with the let data type Rampushta. It can be changed later. And the age is declared with the constant variable, constant data type 80. And it can't be changed, it is a fixed value. And the course is declared with the var data type using var. It is an older method. Here the console.log prints the outputs of the variables. And here then when we give the name Sai to the name variable, it can change it to the output Sai because let can change it. And our next topic is arrays. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. Each item in an array is called an element. We can access elements using index numbers. Here the example code for arrays. Arrays are great for storing lists like names, numbers, or items. Push function adds an item to the end, and pop function removes the last item. We can loop through arrays using for loop to access each element. Here the fruits are declared with the let variable, and in fruits variable we can give apple, banana, and mango with different number of elements to the single variable. Here console.log fruits 0 returns the first element of the array, apple, and 1 prints the banana, and fruit length is 3. Here the array length is 3. 1, 2, 3. And index numbers starts from 0 to 0, 1, and 2. Here the fruits push function add one more element to the array at the end of the array. And now the console.log fruits return apple, banana, mango, and orange. Now the fruits pop function removes an element from the back of the array. Here console.log prints apple, banana, and mango. Here the orange is removed because of the pop function. Our next topic is functions. Functions are the reusable blocks of code that perform a task. They can take input called parameters and return an output. Here the simple code for the explanation of functions. The function greet returns the name returns hello name. Here we can give any name, then it gives the greetings of that as output. Here I am giving Pushda. And the function returns hello Dharan. If I give here any other name, then it gives here when I give Raghu here, then it gives hello Raghu. And function with multiple parameters. We can also pass parameters into the function. Let's see a simple code for the passing parameters. I have function add a comma passing parameters a comma b, return a plus b. Now we can pass 5 comma 3, then output is 5 plus 3 8. Functions help avoid writing the same code again and again. We can pass values into functions and get results back. Arrow functions are shorter and modern way of writing functions. Here is the syntax for arrow functions. And our next topic is objects. Object stores data as a key value pairs. Keys are property names and values can be any type, strings, numbers, arrays, even other objects. Here is a simple code for objects. Here the student is equals to name, Pujda, age, 18, course, BTech, and a function also. These are the objects of the student variable. When we write student name dot name in console, it prints the name Pujda. When we write student dot age, it prints 80. When we print the function greet, It's called the function and write the greetings. Hi, I'm Pujita. We can also change the object property by using the syntax. So student dot age is equal to 21. Now the student age is changed from 18 to 21. And our next concept is loops. Loops allow us to run the same code multiple times. Common loops in JavaScript for runs a fixed number of times. And while loop runs while a condition is true only. And for of loops throw elements of an array. Here the simple code for the loops. Here for loop had three expressions: initialization, condition, and upgradation. When the for loop iterates every time, it prints for loop. And the while loop has we have to initialize first, and we have to write the condition in while brackets and open the curly braces and write the code you want. And we have to update it at the closing above closing bracket. For of loop. The for of loop is a cleaner way to loop through array elements. It has uh, an array elements. We have covered JavaScript basics, variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. These are the foundation for more complex concepts. Practice writing and running small programs. That's the best way to learn. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for